Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on graphing lines worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets where we can practice plotting points on a number plane, and when we join the points together we can see that we can form a line which continues in both directions. Now, if you're not sure what to do here, like as you see this table here and you're not sure what that means, on the last slide in this particular video there is a link. If you click on the link, it takes you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So just go straight there if you wish, click on the link and it'll tell you exactly what to do. Let's look at this first example. Here in this table we notice we see x and y. We have 2, 1, 3, 2 and 4, 3. So each of these here are points. We have an x value and a y value, or an x coordinate and a y coordinate. And here, what we have actually here can be represented, this is what the lesson tells us, it can be represented like this, 2, 1. And that actually gives us a point. So we plot that point on the number plane in the form of a small dot, for example. Then we do the same here. Then we do the same there. So that gives us 3 separate dots. When you join those together, that will tell you the path of the line. And if you have an arrow in either direction, that tells you that the line continues infinitely in both directions. The example here is very similar, except we've got some negative numbers here. So the points can be anywhere on the number plane. They don't just have to be here, where both the x and y are positive. They can be anywhere on the number plane. So it's very, very similar here for example 2. Example 3, a very, very similar fashion, plotting the 3 points. Now you'll notice, after you do all the examples, you can get lines that either go this way, so the line could go either that way or this way. So it can go that way, sloping that way, or it can slope this way, depending on the points that you're given. And exactly the same here for number 4. Just plot them accurately. You've got the grid here, so you should be able to plot them very accurately, and that will show you where the line is. So this video has given us some slides where we can practice plotting points on a number plane, and when you join those points you form lines. If you need extra help or you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link. Click on the link and it will take you to the lesson.